हाय, आई वेलकम यू इन एपिसोड नंबर 2। आज हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं जिसके लिए मैक्सिमम रिक्वेस्ट आई थी। दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज समथिंग that is chasing me through a lot of people for years, and even if I give them answers, there are new people who come up and they ask me this question because it's very very important. This particular topic is important part of our life and life of any queer person, that is coming out. कमिंग आउट एक प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे आप किसी को बताते हैं कि आप गे है या बाइसेक्सुअल है या लेस्बियन है या ट्रांसजेंडर है. इस प्रोसेस व्हेन यू अनाउंस योर सेक्सुअलिटी टू समवन. एंड व्हाई इट इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज पीपल ऑफन टेक योर सेक्सुअलिटी फॉर ग्रांटेड. अगर लड़का पैदा होता है तो लोग सोचते चलो लड़का हुआ, अभी आगे जाके लड़की से शादी करेगा, बहू लाएगा. एंड लड़की हुई तो चलो अभी आगे जाके ससुराल जाएगी, अच्छा खासा नाम रोशन करेगी मायके का. And all those things that they take you for granted, even since your birth, your sexuality is something that they predict. And no, it's not predicted. There's something that they say, okay, this is sealed. This is what it is. There is no other way around. And it's time for us to tell that there is something beyond heterosexual. कि एक लड़का दामाद ला सकता है, एक लड़की बहू ला सकती है. And there are other ways too. So we're going to talk about coming out. The request I have received recently when I asked people to suggest the topic. Coming out was something I received from 70 to 80% people. People ask so many questions. How to come out to people? How to come out? How to tell our family that we are gay? घर पे कैसे बताएं? दोस्तों को कैसे बताएं? क्या समाज एक्सेप्ट करेगा? ये सारी चीज़ों पे आज हम बात करेंगे और मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है क्योंकि ये मैंने खुद किया है. तो जब भी मैं बात करता हूँ whenever I talk about this topic, my whole past पूरा flashback आ जाता है. and I kind of enjoy it because that's what made me a strong human being today. And I hope your process that is coming or that has happened has make you or will make you a strong human being. And if I am able to help you in 1% through this video, I will be more than glad and happy. So let's go. Let's talk about coming out. तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि कमिंग आउट क्यों करना है. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू डू इट, कैसे करना है. बट लेट मी टेल यू, कमिंग आउट एक इमोशनल डिसीजन नहीं है कि लोग हमेशा मुझे जब मैसेज करते हैं ना कमिंग आउट के लिए, लोग कहते हैं कि मुझे बताना है. एंड दे साउंड वेरी टेंस, दे साउंड वेरी इमोशनल. दैट यू नो आई फील दैट इज दैट burden that they are carrying that they want to throw it down. I understand you struggle a lot, you suffer inside, it's a dual life and आप अपनी असलियत छुपा रहे हो और किसी को बता नहीं पा रहे हो, अंदर अंदर घुट रहे हो. I understand. But सच्चाई ये है कि coming out is a process, not an emotional moment, not incident कि चलो बता दिया और हो गया. It doesn't work like that. Coming out it's something similar or it is future planning. आप फ्यूचर प्लानिंग जैसे करते हो वैसे कमिंग आउट को प्लान करना चाहिए. रीज़न दिस होल पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट जब आप किसी को बताओगे हैज़ गोना चेंज योर लाइफ एंड देयर इज़ नो वे गोइंग बैक. व्हेन यू कम आउट टू समवन योर लाइफ इज़ गोइंग टू चेंज फॉर एवर. सो इट्स फॉर गुड और फॉर बैड, दैट डेस्टिनी विल डिसाइड. एंड दैट योर struggle and that your hardship and most importantly your patience and honest attempts will decide. So coming out is a process and you have to do it for years. It's not like one day you get energy from somebody like me or this video and then you go out and tell your family I'm gay, it's over. No, it just starts right from there. Let me give you this disclaimer and I want to be very realistic. If you ask me what coming out is like, अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे coming out कैसे होता है, so you are standing on a small island where you're tired of living. When I say tired of living, you are tired of living a dual life. You're tired of portraying so-called straight acting, something that you're not. You're tired of standing in a group of your male colleagues and talk about girls, even though you don't enjoy that because you enjoy talking about guys. Vice versa for girls. Then I mean that's what I mean, that when you stand on that island and you feel tired, you know the island is surrounded by a big dark ocean. If you jump in the ocean you can't come back. The only way is you need to swim back to the other place. I will talk about the other place, but let's first talk about the ocean, the process. सो जब आप वो ओशन में, जब आप वो समंदर में कमिंग आउट के जंप मारते हो, इट्स गोना बी वेरी डीप। आप एक बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन लेते हो, इट्स अ वेरी बिग डिसीजन, बिकॉज उस समंदर में शार्क्स से बड़े बड़े जो आपको निगल सकते हैं। आई मीन द सोसाइटी विल कीप टॉन्टिंग यू, विल मेक योर लाइफ हेल, बट if you are strong enough, if you have made your plan, if your focus is right there in front, you can reach to that part, to the other side of the land, where there are rainbows, there are unicorns, and most importantly, there is peace. And look at me, the people talk about the glow on my face and satisfaction. This is something I swam the ocean and I'm right here. मैं यहाँ पे आज बैठा हूँ दूसरी लैंड में आके, उस हेल में से, उस नरक में से, और मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है लाइफ में। यही बहुत सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि यू रिसीव पीस, एंड दैट इज़ वाई कमिंग आउट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड एंड डू इट। आपको सीढ़ी पता है, सीढ़ी, लैडर। सो व्हेन यू पुट अ लैडर टू क्लाइम, you don't directly climb on third or fourth step. You start by 1, 2, 3, 4 up, first, second, third, fourth steps पे चढ़ के ladder चढ़ते हो। Coming out is like that. Coming out करना नहीं करना individual decision है। It's not compulsory for everybody to do the coming out, but there is something important that every single queer person should do, that is coming out to yourself. लोग मेरे पास आके ये कहते हैं कि मुझे coming out करना है, but कैसे करूँ? And they don't sound confident. When people ask me how to do it, they don't sound confident. Reason? They have not accepted themselves. The first key, the first step to do coming out is you have to accept yourself that you are gay. And if you do that, then only you can go ahead and tell people. Because if somebody realizes that this person is not confident enough that he is gay or he is bisexual or she is lesbian, why would I support him if he is not confident enough? You have to be very, very confident about yourself. If you only can accept yourself without guilt, कि लोग मुझे हमेशा बोलते हैं आई एम फीलिंग सुसाइडल, यार भगवान ने मुझे ऐसे क्यों बनाया, वाई गॉड मेड मी दिस वे, आई वांट टू डाई। गॉड मेड यू दिस वे because God knew this is a very challenging life. If He doesn't want to give you a single boring life of heterosexual people, I'm sorry, because I consider there are other struggles too in their life, but this struggle is very huge which they lack in their life. So that if God did not make you heterosexual, अगर आपको straight नहीं बनाया भगवान ने, इसके पीछे भगवान का एक, जिसने भी आपको बनाया उसका एक आइडिया था, एजेंडा था, ये था कि आप में वो हिम्मत है, आप में वो स्ट्रेंथ है कि आप ये चैलेंज करके ये ज़िंदगी को अच्छा बना सकते हो। किसी और को लाइफ नहीं दी गई, उसको स्ट्रेट लाइफ दी गई बिकॉज भगवान को लगा वो कमज़ोर है, तो उन्होंने तुमको चुना। क्यों? बिकॉज यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग। यू डोंट नो हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग यू आर until you explore yourself, and that is why it is important to do it. And when you do it, let me tell you, this is very, very important. When you come out to yourself, when you tell yourself, okay, I'm gay, and that's what it is. I don't want to tell my family, it's okay. I want to tell my family, it's okay. But when you accept yourself without any guilt, without any shame, you win half battle. आगे का सब कुछ easy हो जाता है. And believe me, it's very, very easy when you accept yourself comfortably. So when you're honest with yourself, there's time to go ahead and do it. So we are done with the drama, we are done with the blaming God, we're done with the blaming our luck. Now we accept yourself, okay, I'm gay, I'm bisexual, I'm lesbian, I'm trans. God made me this way, I'm natural. What's up? What to do it? You have a problem? Come, I'll talk to you. Now moving on to coming out. People ask me what's the ideal age of coming out. Sahi age kya hai? There is no perfect age as such, but I can give you ideal answer because I know that's what you expect. Ideal answer or ideal age to come out is between 24 to 27. जब आप financially independent हो. When you're financially independent, you're earning some money, so you can have at least a rented flat. You can feed yourself twice, and you can save some money for emergency like health concerns. Reason, if you come out, come out to your family if they accept. I'm happy for you. Everything is good. If they don't, you need to be well prepared. Coming out, like I said, is like a future planning. You always need to have plan A, plan B, plan C, and plan D. That's what I have done in my life too. If you plan that way, it's okay. People are there are these kids like 18, 19, 20 years old who are like, I want to tell my family. Don't do it. Let me tell you, focus on your education, focus on your studies. I'm not talking what people tell you on these workshops or in the dictionary or in the books. Do it because अगर आज अच्छे से पढ़ाई करोगे, कल जाके अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा तो अच्छे पैसे कमाओगे. If you earn well, then you can live your life on your own terms. Nobody can stop you. That is why education and your career is very, very important. If you want to live your life like me, like you say that I want to live life like you, so you want like you, bro, then do it. Education and good salary and earning good money is very important. So you can move out of your family, you can move out of your small place, village and town, and move to some bigger place like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and settle down. I did not. I missed Kolkata. Don't feel offended, my Bong friends. You can move to Kolkata as well and live your life where you have people like you who understand you and they are so busy in their life, and it's pretty much acceptable in metro cities compared to other parts of India. So सही एज है 24-25, तब तक आप थोड़ा कंट्रोल कीजिए. If you're young, 19, 20, 18, you need to focus on education. Side by side, you can explore yourself. You can keep giving hints to your family, like talk about a film like Shubhamangal Jada Saudhan or something, where you can give hints. You talk as a third person. आप ये बता नहीं रहे हो कि मैं गई हूँ, but हाँ ऐसा कुछ exist है सोसाइटी में इस टॉपिक के बारे में. आप वो टॉपिक को छेड़ सकते हो. You can take the topic out and discuss that. That's how you can do coming out. People ask, second important thing is, should I tell my family? I would say, suggest you do not tell your family first. If you have a best friend, if you have cousin, sibling who is trustworthy, जिस पे आप believe कर सकते हो, उनको पहले बताओ. Each small coming out, मतलब parents बताने से पहले छोटे छोटे coming out आपको एक confidence देंगे. If this confidence will build you, they will build you for a bigger day that is coming out to your family. आपका confidence बढ़ता जाएगा छोटे छोटे successful coming out से. Take the experiences. अगर निगेटिव हुआ तो भी take it. You will learn from it. So ऐसे शुरुआत करो. डायरेक्टली जंप मत मारो. आप ओलंपिक में लॉन्ग जंप में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे हो. You need to, like I said, it's a ladder, it's a process. You go slow by slow. Important thing which is very important. People are in depression coming out को लेके. Why? How can I do it? Coming out कैसे होगा? मुझे बहुत issues है, problems है. What's happening is this. I got some threads. How can I? Each thread represents problem. How can I come out to my parents? How can I come out to my friends? How can I come out to my relatives? How can I come out to society? Will I find a boyfriend? Or will I die alone? And other random problems. ये problems को आप साथ में पकड़ते हो. And then you take it in your brain like this and you process all together. You process all, you are sleepless, आपको डार्क सर्कल्स आ रहे हैं, आप सो नहीं पा रहे हो, आपके बाल झड़ रहे हैं, and this is what has become. Now try to sort out each problem. You can't. It's entangled. अगर आप वही प्रॉब्लम एक एक करके सॉर्ट आउट करो ना, एक प्रॉब्लम वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम, इसके ऊपर ध्यान दूंगा, ये खत्म, फिर उसके ऊपर ध्यान दूंगा. आप सब साथ में प्रोसेस करना क्यों चाहते हो? फिनिश इट ऑफ. टेक वन थिंग एट अ टाइम एंड देन यू कैन. धीरे धीरे आपको पता चलेगा कि एक एक प्रॉब्लम आपके कम होते जा रहा है. शायद ज़्यादा टाइम लग सकता है. इट माइट टेक मोर टाइम, बट यू विल फील मच बेटर दैट यू डोंट हैव टू डील विद अदर प्रॉब्लम्स. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कम आउट. प्रोसेस. और स्टेज नंबर 3 जो कमिंग आउट की है वो है कमिंग आउट टू सोसाइटी, जो मैंने किया. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू डू इट. इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि आपके जो करीबी है, जिसको आप प्यार करते हैं, वो ही जाने आपके बारे में. एंड दैट्स इनफ फॉर you people to do it. If you feel like doing coming out to your society, first see if your parents are comfortable with it, that if they accepted you, if they want you to keep privacy, then थोड़ा privacy रखो. If you feel like धीरे धीरे सोशल मीडिया से थोड़ा, जैसे मैंने कहा, हिंट देना शुरू करो फेसबुक पे, इंस्टा पे, टॉक अबाउट द इशू, डोंट कन्फर्म इट फर्स्ट. पीपल स्लोली, और आजकल ऐसा है ना कि एटलीस्ट शहरों में तो ये मुद्दे काफ़ी कॉमन है, हर कोई बात करने लगा है, और धीरे धीरे आने वाले 4-5 सालों में छोटे शहरों तक की बात अभी पहुँची है और अच्छे से पहुँचेगी. सो ये 3 प्रोसेस है. पहले कमिंग आउट अपने आप को करो, अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करो विदाउट एनी गिल्ट. देन आप सोचो कि आपको पहले एजुकेशन करना है, अच्छे पैसे कमाने हैं, अच्छा जॉब लेना है, फिर आपको कमिंग आउट करना है आपके दोस्तों को या अपने भाई बहन को, ताकि आपको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मिले. देन यू हैव टू कम आउट टू योर फैमिली. एंड इफ फैमिली डजंट एक्सेप्ट, यू हैव योर प्लान बी रेडी, जहाँ पे आप अपनी ज़िंदगी जियोगे, जहाँ पे आप अपने आप को 2 टाइम का खाना, यू कैन गिव योर सेल्फ अ शेल्टर, अ 2 टाइम meal, and you can save some money. We're talking about financial security in another episode as well, because it's very important when it comes to gay men. So that's all about coming out. I hope I covered everything in 15 minutes. I need to finish in 15 minutes because that's the limit for Instagram, IGTV. I can't upload videos with more duration. If you have any question, let me know on Instagram. I hope you liked it. I hope this video helped, and I hope you're at home. Stay at home, be safe, take care of yourself. Lots of love, and all the very best for your coming out. Mwah.